You know, there are a lot of auto dealerships around trying to either copy Sunset or trying to discredit them. Good luck with that. Here's an example. Warranty protection for life. Sunset's lifetime powertrain warranty. First, the other guy said it was a scam. Ooh, nice try, fellas. Then they tried to do some silly abbreviated version that covered a fraction of what Sunset covers. Back to the kiddie pool, guys. Oh, wait till they get a load of this. Sunset's new 48-hour, no-questions-asked used vehicle exchange policy. It's pretty much just that. If you get a used vehicle from any Sunset Auto Family dealership, and after driving it for a couple of days you decide it's not quite the right vehicle for you and the family, simply return it and pick out something else. It's just that simple. Go to sunsetautofamily.com for all the details. You just get more at Sunset, like a 48-hour exchange policy. And people do like that.